Hello Atlanta, I'm your host Wendell Scott, and on this week's episode we're just going to celebrate the fact that we made it through another year. Thank goodness, why not celebrate that, right? So helping us out is Where is the Whiskey ATL? They've given us this great cocktail kit complete with Jack Daniels. We're going to make 2 cocktails here. The first one we have is the crossover. So with this one, we start off with 2 ounces of Jack Daniels, then we're adding 1 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. Oh, I can tell this is going to be great. Once you've added the cinnamon simple syrup, we're just going to stir to combine. Perfect. Then we're adding the refreshing Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, look at that fizz. And after that, you're squeezing the juice of a lemon wedge right on top just to give it a little kick. And just add a wedge to make it cute. Now this is a celebration, so we've got 1 more cocktail to go, but first let's try this. Oh, yes, party on people. The next cocktail we have is the Fastbreak using Korbel Brut, which is one of my favorites. So first we have to open the bottle, which is always a struggle for me, but here we go. Whoop. First thing is to pour the champagne into the flute. Once you poured your champagne, then you've got 1 ounce of vanilla simple syrup to place in. Ooh. And after you've poured your 1 ounce of simple syrup, top it off with Jack Daniels, and you've got a party, my friends. Ooh. You've really got a party. And after you've poured your Jack, just top it off with a raspberry or 2 to keep it classy. Cheers, let's try it. Oh man. Yep, that is the one. This is a celebration, everyone. Let's raise a glass to whatever you decide to celebrate, whether it's championing working from home, social distancing, or even mastering your own at-home cocktails. Thanks to Where's the Whiskey ATL and Jack Daniels for helping us live freely and drink responsibly.